we're back. Well, we're back properly on Saturday with our latest update from our local nature trail. But you can't wait. Don't answer that actually. Anyway, while we were away, we didn't just sit on our backsides, rest on our laurels, twiddle our thumbs, or think of any other metaphors for abject laziness. Oh no, I updated. Well, I rewrote actually more accurately my landscape photography crash course. Now, I published the original way back in 2021 and it's proved very popular over the years, but reading through it recently, I felt that it just wasn't good enough anymore, if it ever was. So I revised it entirely. It's now over 50 pages, around the same number of images, nearly 10,000 words, and a host of links to other of my workflows and instructional videos on YouTube to hopefully give you some hints, tips, and inspiration to get out and enjoy the country and seaside with your camera. A real multimedia delight. And best of all, it's all for free at www.duringthemeanwhiles.com. You can find it a load of other free stuff simply by popping along to my blog there. Besides all the resources, it's the place where I now exclusively display any new images as well as publish other, musings. As always these days, there's a link in the description. Anyway, until Saturday when, trust me, the excitement in the video is palpably off the scale. Be nice to each other, okay? Ta-ra.